So tech lovers, if you come to st.com, you're going to see people making money with coloring books, right? So we're going to be making something similar like this. I'll name it animal coloring books. We're going to be creating 25 pages. So for it to be easy for me, I told ChatGPT to give me some fun and kid-friendly animal that we can use for our children coloring books, and it's listed all these animals. We have the lion, elephant, giraffe, monkey, zebra, tiger, etc. So without any further ado, we're going straight to the tutorials, okay? So Canva is free. If you don't have Canva accounts, check my first description and set up your Canva account, okay? And you can create this with the free version of Canva, okay? So now the first step we are going to do is, if you set up your account, sign up for your Canva, the first step you're going to do is come here to this plus sign, and you can create your custom size, okay? But I'm going to be using this create new. So I'm going to be going to some document portraits. Yeah. So I'm going to come to documents A4 portraits, okay? But you can choose anyone that suits you. But this is what I'm going to be using for this coloring books, okay? So I'll click it, and to make it look more beautiful, I'm going to create a border, okay? So I'll I'll come to elements, and I'll look for a border. I can find some of the borders that I used recently. Yes, I'll figure it out like this. Okay, so that it's going to look more beautiful, we have to look for a neat work. So I'll come like this, and I would enlarge it a bit. Right, I think this is good. Just to create a border, right? So yeah, I think this is good. So I would now come to these three lines and increase the stroke a bit. So depending on how you want it to be thick, okay, I'll put this at 6. I think 5 is okay. Okay, then I want to remove this. So I come to this color, then I check it out. So as you can you see our page is looking beautiful. So I'm going to duplicate this because I'm going to generate a cover page at the end of the day. So now let's go to our page number 2 to start our design. As I said at the beginning of this video, I'm going to be showing us 2 ways you can create your designs, okay, your animal book with Canva. So first, to come to elements, and you search for, let's come to ChatGPT because I told ChatGPT to give me some kids friendly animals. So let's start with elephants. Okay, I will come to Canva and search for elephants. Okay, you will now come here, you type elephants, elephants outline. Okay, and you search it. So as you can see, it gives you different types of elephants. If you're seeing something like a crown, then it's paid. You have to be on the paid Canva Pro for you to be able to use it. But as you can see, there's no crown under this place. There's no crown here. If we scroll down more, we're not going to see any. We'll see more that have no crown. Can you see we have this. So I'm going to be using the ones that we don't have a crown, so that I want to let you know that you can create this with the Canva Pro. Okay, so let me look for a nice one, and I'll be right back. So I'm going to be choosing any one of these that doesn't have crown. So first let's choose this. So I'm going to enlarge it. Yeah, I think this is good. So I'm going to leave space for me to be able to put the name of the animal. So I'll come here, I come to text, I add text here, I add text here, going to raise it up a bit. So I'm going to type elephants. So because we are creating kids coloring book, so we want it to look like very beautiful and unique, and we want the front also to be like a cartoon font. So you come here and you look for comic, or if you, yeah, you look for comic. I found it. Or if you cannot find comic, you can type it here to search for comic. So when you come here, when you click on comic, some nice fronts. Okay. So as you can see, so you play with the ones that you like. You choose the one that you like that is suitable for kids. Okay. So you just choose a nice one. So I went to a school bell and I'm going to enlarge it. Okay. And I'll straighten it like this. This is elephants. As you can see, if you do not like the font, you can always change it. For the purpose of this video, we can do it like this. Or you can also come to effects and you do something like this. You come here, you reduce the thickness or increase the thickness, right? And you change the color to color black or color white, or you look for another funky color, can you see? Or you put it back at this color, right? So you can also change the font also to this font. Then you reduce this, you reduce the, or you can increase the offsets, right? I'm just giving you some extra tips. And direction, you can increase the direction, or you just do something nice, okay? And you can also change the color just to look funky, okay? So we can leave it like this, but for the purpose of this video, I'm going to return it back to the normal font I used previously. So now let's create a second page. I'm going to duplicate this and I will remove this. And we're going to use another method for this second page. So you come here, you scroll down and you look for app. So you search for media app. You want to use Canva AI, okay? Media. So when you come to app, you search for Magic Media, okay? And this is it. So you click on Magic Media. So we're going to put a prompt here. So I put a prompt, create a black and white lion, coloring lion animal for kids coloring book, okay? So you can choose a style. I'm going to choose my style, and you can change your square. We're going to be using portraits, okay? And we're going to generate image. It's going to take some while. So as you can see, it generated some beautiful lion animals for us. So if you don't like this, you can tell to generate again, or you come here, you click on this three dot, anyone you love, you just say generate more. So I think I like this. Okay, so I can I can enlarge this, and we're going to do the same thing. I'm going to come to text and I put my lion here. Okay, but let me let me duplicate this again, right? Let's duplicate this again and I'll delete this. So we're going to come to graphics. We're going to tell this, we're going to put our prompt here also again. So we just created the image. So now we're going to create the graphics. So I just want to show you the difference of the two animals that we did in lion. So I'm going to put on the sky. I can, let's just, let's choose this, right, for my style. Then I will generate. So it's going to take some while. So for the graphics, this is what it's giving me. So if you love any of this and if you don't like it, you always generate again. But I'm going to choose something like this and I will click on this dot and it will tell me generate more. So I'm going to just choose this for the purpose of this video and I will enlarge it to my taste. I will enlarge it. Yeah, this is the tail. So this is it. So I'm going to arrange it properly. I'll be right back. So this is the way it came out, and as you can see, this is the only two methods that you can use to create your coloring books for animal. Okay, after doing that, I'm going to complete this and I will show you the end result. It's going to look like this. So you can sell it on Amazon KDP, ST, PayE, etc. to promote your. So tech lovers, we're going to create our front page now and we're going to use the magic media. Okay, you come here and you click on app, magic media. So I'm going to come back here. I will close this. So I'm going to put my prompt here. Generate a book cover for my animal, for my animal, for my animal. So I thought I just gave a simple direct font. Generate a book cover for my animal coloring books for kids. Okay. So I'm going to put my style. I always like filmic. So then I'll change my font to portraits. Then I'll generate. So as you can see, this is a nice coloring book. So if you don't like any of this, you can always come here to these three dots and generate more. So I'm going to choose this and I'm going to make it fit my screen. Yeah, this is nice. Then I'll come to element again, just teaching you how to create your cover page. I'll come to elements and I'll click on this. Then I would now come here. So tech lovers, can you see we just created our beautiful cover page? Okay, so I'm going to complete this to 25 for up to 25 pages. Okay, I hope you got value from this video. Kindly subscribe, like, and share, and give a lovely comment down there. Thank you. See you in my next video. Bye for now.